Good morning, students. Welcome back to Biology Classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Today I will start from meat and egg yielding animals. So look at your book. Goat, sheep, hen and other poultry birds provide us with meat. Fish is also a source of food. These animals are reared on a commercial scale for their meat. Hen meat is called chicken and sheep and goat meat is called mutton. So student, you have to underline these two words, chicken and mutton. Especially hen meat is called chicken and sheep and goat meat is called mutton. Poultry farming. Poultry is the rearing of birds like fowl, goose, turkey and duck for their meat and eggs. So poultry is a culture by which actually we can rear the birds like fowl, goose, turkey, duck for their meat and eggs. The eggs from these birds are a rich source of proteins. The chicken used for the laying eggs are called layers. So the chickens which actually used for the laying eggs are called layers. And chicken used for the rearing meat is called broiler. मतलब जो चिकन सिर्फ एक को ले करता है दे आर लेयर्स एंड व्हिच काइंड ऑफ चिकन यूज फॉर द रियरिंग मीट आर कॉल्ड ब्रॉयलर. मतलब जो चिकन को हम लोग रियर करते हैं फॉर देयर मीट दे आर ब्रॉयलर. इन इंडिया देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रीड्स ऑफ चिकन्स: indigenous, exotic and crossbreed. The most popular indigenous breed is SL. Exotic breeds such as White Rock, Black, Minorca, Rodi, Iceland Red and produce outside India. They are excellent egg layer and good meat producer. So they are both good egg layers and as well as they are good meat producers. In India, some crossbreeds of chickens such as ILS 82, HH 260, B77 have been raised. They have high egg laying capacity. Next, management of poultry birds. It is very important that the chickens are kept with care in the poultry sheds. The birds should not be kept in the open as there is always a danger of the birds being attacked by other animals. Care should be taken while feeding the birds. Bird food generally include cereals like bajra, maize, wheat, ragi, etc. So as because they are very soft, that's why they are easily attracted by other animals. So we should proper care to be taken while feeding the birds. Bird foods generally include cereals like bajra, maize, wheat, ragi, etc. Next, management of sheep and goat. Sheep do not require a well-structured shelter. They live under natural shades of trees and hills. Goat require a clean, dry and safe home. Goat should be protected from heat and cold. Sheep and goat are given grains, gram, chaff, oil cake and mineral mixtures along with grass, foliage, herbs, etc. By mistake, actually, I left the portion. Sheep and goat. Animals such as goat, hen and sheep are reared for their flesh or meat. Sheep provides us mutton, wool and hide. Hide means leather. Goat provides us milk, meat and skin. The process of removal of wool from sheep is called shearing. So इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. What is shearing? So it is the removal process of obtaining the wool from sheep, that is called shearing. Wool is produced from the flesh of sheep. power shears are used for shearing. Normally हम लोग electric shears use करते हैं shearing करने के लिए. The quality of wool varies from breed to breed. For example, Pashmina wool is very soft and warm. It is obtained from Indian breed called Pashmina, which is found in Kashmir and Himalayan areas. Important breeds of sheep in our country are Nilor, Mandya, Dorset, Marwari, Bikaneri, Rampuri and Deccanee. Important breeds of goat include Gadi, Jamnapuri, Black Bengal, Assam Hill, Deccanee, Kashmiri and many more. So after this portion will be stopped. Actually, I have discussed this portion before. So I think all of you understood. Next portion is disease in sheep and goat. Sheep and goat suffer from bacterial and viral disease. Regular immunization and proper sanitation help in the prevention of disease. So student, I hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.